Hello everyone and welcome. In advance of the AgGateway annual conference in November, the Education Committee has produced a series of webinars in conjunction with the other active committees in the organization. Our goal is to share the mission and agenda for each committee and to encourage members to get involved in the organization's activities in a deeper way through committee participation. My name is Eric Siligoy. I am the editor of Crop Life Magazine, an AgGateway member organization, and I will serve as your session moderator. You are currently tuned into the Directory Oversight Committee session, and I am pleased to welcome Donna Skeen, who will be presenting on the committee's behalf. Welcome, Donna, and I'll turn it over to you to get us started.
Thank you, Eric. First off, what we'll do today is I'll just go through the agenda. Now, this overview intends to cover common and perhaps uncommon questions that arise about the committee. We may not hit every topic or address every question you may have, but for further information or questions, please feel free to call or email either Andrew Jeremiah, who is the 2011 DOC Committee Chair, or Donna Skeen, which is I am the Committee Vice Chair. And the email addresses will be publicized at the end of this presentation. First off, why does AgGateway have committees? The committees help AgGateway focus on its mission and vision. Their mission is to promote, enable, and expand e-business and agriculture, and their vision is AgGateway will be the recognized international source for enabling the use of information and communication technologies for agriculture. The committee also provides a collaborative forum for members to work together and accomplish common goals. The Directory Oversight Committee, the purpose of this committee is that we establish policies and procedures in the operation of AGIS. And AGIS is known as the Ag Industry Identification System. As you can tell, it's a lot easier to pronounce it with AGIS. This is the repository of common entity and product information. As well, the DOC Committee, we respond to all subscriber and project requests, as well as oversee the maintenance and care of the data in the directory. Requirements for participation in on the DOC Committee are each council is required to provide at least one representative by the AgGateway chartering process. No more than 2 representatives are allowed from each council. No single company can have more than 1 voting member. The DOC voting membership consists of council representatives and at-large members, each of whom serve 3-year terms. Representatives of the AgGateway staff and of the AGIS database hosting company sit on the DOC as non-voting members. Non-voting advisory positions may also be created as needed. At-large members are nominated by the DOC and approved by the membership. Voting representatives should be or become very knowledgeable about AGIS and must be from a subscribing company. The DOC holds regularly scheduled meetings on the 2nd Wednesday of every month. Depending on the level of activity within the DOC, a second meeting may be requested, which would then always take place on the 4th Wednesday of that month. So we're always fully aware of when our meetings are going on. So who are we? The participants, as you see listed on this slide, are from each of the councils. In addition to the representatives from each of these councils, we also have Kay Campy Rosens as our management team liaison. The DOC Committee is also comprised of representatives of the AgGateway staff and of the AGIS database hosting company. These representatives are Marilyn Hunter, Wendy Smith, and Lori Gassel. All representatives keep their council updated on our activities and provide reports on their council's activities. The benefits of the DOC to AgGateway members is not only to establish policies and procedures in the operation of AGUS, but to also oversee the enhancement list, evaluate impact of changes to existing functionality, approve and prioritize development, also ensure AGUS meets the needs of AgGateway-sponsored projects, as well to ensure the AGUS database vendor oversees the subscriber maintenance of the directory data. Enhancement requests come from project requests, individual subscribers, or councils. All requests are important to the growth of AGUS and are evaluated using the same criteria. Do they add value to the directory? Will they be applicable to multiple segments? Do they change existing functions or rules? The DOC currently has 3 functional groups: AGUS Entity, Products, and Future Vision. These are smaller groups made up of DOC members who focus on that particular area. Within the functional groups, as need arises to further research, task forces are formed with subject matter experts to investigate and analyze a particular subject. Members of the task forces include cross-council subject matter experts. The DOC is accountable to the AgGateway management team. The DOC chair reports to the DOC as a whole. Ultimately, the work of the DOC is reported to the subscriber base as a whole by means of an annual report. The DOC works to fulfill its goal of ensuring recognition for AGUS in a number of ways. The DOC is aware of and often involved with AgGateway connectivity projects. These projects will often require use of one or more of the directory resources as a cost of entry. The DOC needs to be aware of these projects and their needs, especially as requests for enhancements or new functionality come before the committee. The Directory Oversight Committee coordinates training through the Education Committee and works with the Marketing and Communications Committee to evangelize AGUS within the AgGateway organization. The future plans of the DOC, as listed here, are ongoing, and as more future plans are brought forward, this list continues to grow. So currently within our functional groups, we have the continuation of deduplication, entity, and products efforts going on. We also try to strengthen the relationships with allied providers and support connectivity projects that may be out there. How to find DOC information on the AgGateway website? The URL is listed within this slide. Access to resources on the AgGateway DOC page is user-specific. Some content, such as meeting times, DOC membership, and general committee overview statements, are visible by all users. To access this information, it is located in the tab About Us, as you see on this slide. Once you have highlighted that slide, hover over the committee and teams, and then select Directory Oversight Committee on the AgGateway website. Also within the AgGateway website, you have an opportunity to view information in AGUS. To do that, again, you would hover over the top tabs, and if you go over 3, you'll see AGUS. When you hover on that tab, you will have a drop-down. That drop-down will list various AGUS links, such as the enhancements, policy document, directory, online demo, tutorials, and feel free to look around and experience some of the documents that are within the website. So that's an overview of what the DOC Committee, Directory Oversight Committee, is within AgGateway. If you have any questions or would like more information on the AgGateway DOC Committee, please feel free to contact either Andrew or myself.
Thank you, Donna, for that committee overview. We encourage you to attend this or any committee meeting of interest to you while at the AgGateway Annual Conference in Las Vegas in November. For more information on AgGateway, visit www.aggateway.org. Thank you.